windy. Are you trying to save the tree?
It's almost falling over. It's crazy.
It's tipping me over. Oh my gosh, guys. A huge wind came through. It was seriously like a hurricane or a tornado. It was so windy. My hair is a complete mess. We were stuck in the wind. We came running out back, and guess what we found? Oh my goodness, it's so windy. Are you trying to save the tree?
It's almost falling over. It's crazy.
It's tipping me over. Okay, Cody. I think that will definitely hold our tree.
It needs more.
Oh, okay. Good job, buddy. Good job. Wow.
Whoa, windstorm. The trampoline.
Guys, what's happening?
The trampoline.
What's happening?
The trampoline went from over there to there.
No kid. Are you kidding?
No, it's out here.
Broken.
Did it break? What?
It caught.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, let's go see.
This storm is crazy. It came right away. We're just outside. It just came. It's blowing everything away. Our trampoline is across the yard. It broke. Oh man, it's just crazy wind out there.
Oh my gosh, guys. A huge wind came through. It was seriously like a hurricane or a tornado. It was so windy. My hair is a complete mess. We were stuck in the wind. We came running out back, and guess what we found? Our trampoline is completely ruined. It was clear over there on the side of the house, and now it is right here. It is completely bent. It is all ruined. There's pieces everywhere. It's completely bent and ruined. There's no way that we can straighten this out again. I am so glad it stayed in our yard and didn't take out the fence. It did ruin the fence a little bit. It's scratched up right here. It scratched the fence, but luckily it kind of settled here because we dug this part down. But guys, that wind was crazy. It was stormy. There were clouds everywhere, and the wind that was with it was absolutely insane. And guys, look at this formation here in the clouds. That looks crazy, like kind of scary. That is what passed us and blew our trampoline away.
Guys, every day we like to drop on the trampoline, and now it's broke. This is a nightmare.
Okay guys, so it is very late and the storm has finally ceased and stopped. Our trampoline is ruined, and we were just looking out our window before we were going to bed, and Joel said, "The tree looks smaller. Why does the tree look smaller?" And I said, "No, the tree's fine." And he said, "No, the tree looks like it's broke." And this makes me so sad, but our tree snapped. It completely snapped. Let me show you what it looks like. The whole top is snapped off. And I was like, where is it? Where is it? There's our broken trampoline. And Joel showed that it is still attached. Barely, if you could see right here. It's still attached on this side, but look how much higher it is. And it broke. It snapped right here. So we are gonna tie a stick to it and hope that it will heal itself.
All right, so last night or yesterday we had a huge windstorm, and I found out our tree actually snapped. So last night we went out and tried to fix it, and I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna see how exactly it held up and if we were able to fix it. I hope we did. Brianna loves these trees. She cares about them, and it would be devastating if we lost this tree. So hopefully everything's good and that we fixed it. So I'm walking out right now. Oh no, guys. Oh man, how am I gonna tell Brianna this? We didn't really fix the tree. It's leaning over. Yep, it's leaning. It is barely hanging on. I think it is not fixable. Oh, guys, I don't know how I'm gonna break the news to her. She loves this tree, and oh, it's been through so much wind, so this is crazy. I mean, hopefully the garden is good. The garden's looking good. We had our trampoline break. Our tree broke. Brianna's gonna flip. She is not gonna like this. I gotta change this day around. And I don't know what to do. How am I gonna change this day around to make it a good day? But I think we could do something with it. Something that's fun, I think. We could make it looks like a little underground fort. Maybe I'll go get the kids and tell them about it and try to make this day better for them, and they could think of this as an underground fort. Kids! Come here! They come in. I got the kids, and I'm gonna go make this day much better for them. Even though I don't know how much better it could get. Bria has our ice cream.
Yeah.
You guys are always making forts in the house. So now you have a fort outside. So go get in there and see where's your rooms and
Oh, my room's over there.
your room's over here. Oh, you don't want to be by the sun? So Bria chose in the shade.
This is the carpet. This is the carpet.
Oh, there you go. You have carpet. Cody, you're right next to her. Cohen, what are you gonna do?
I know my room.
You gotta close the front door.
No, my room's up here.
Oh, you're.
My God.
No, you can't go up there.
Can we just try going up?
No, that's not safe.
Because it's already all bent.
It's yeah, but it's angled and you can't stand on it.
No, we can.
So this thing got destroyed.
But
Wow.
I'm kind of happy.
So guys, is it pretty cool that you have like a little underground fort?
Can we keep it? Nice in here. Can we keep it?
You want to keep it? We might
Have to move it.
have to like
Clean it.
yeah, clean it up a little bit, but
Because it destroyed a tree.
because you know what? We're very lucky that it didn't ruin more than it did. Oh, Cody, hold on. Don't move a muscle. There is a bug
What is that?
right by Cody.
What bug is that?
Okay, Cody, you can move. I don't want it to bite you.
Oh my gosh, that's creepy.
What is
We
it?
don't even know what it is. So what if it doesn't bite?
Oh, is it a spider?
It's glowing. It's a moth.
It's a moth?
Glowing.
I don't think it's a moth. Let's see.
Glowing.
Let's zoom in.
It's glowing. Looks like a moth. It's glowing.
Huh.
It's glowing.
Yeah, it's like a little moth.
Daddy, it's glowing.
Yep.
It's a moth.
It's just a little up. Ew, it's attacking me.
It's
attacking me.
It's gonna eat our
It's the man-eating moth. No. Get out.
I'm not a man, so I
Get out. Actually, moths like clothes. And they're gonna put holes in our clothes if they land on us. And
No, not my
this
jammies.
is my favorite jersey. I can't have a hole.
My favorite jammies.
And that's your favorite jammies. You can't have holes in your jammies.
I don't care if I get holes in these clothes.
Then get in there.
Once I took this to school.
So guys, did this make your day better knowing that you have a fort now outside?
Yeah, but
Well, it doesn't make it better because you have a moth in there.
Well, the moth will fly out. There's a lot of openings.
And then it'll fly back in.
But then,
Oh well.
Daddy, then I got sad because you said you're gonna have to clean it up.
Well, I don't know. We might not clean it up now.
But in like 5 more weeks.
5 more weeks, please.
Maybe 2 days.
That the tree broke down.
Yeah. So this is our tree and it broke. We tried to fix it last night.
That's part of something of mom's
But I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut this. We're gonna cut to this point off. And one of these branches will take the lead and it'll grow up again.
Daddy, that's not a string. That's a part of mom's shirt.
Yeah, I know, because that's all we had.
Oh, I have a rope.
So we fixed it last night. Well, we didn't need a rope. We wanted like an elastic string or nylon or something.
Why? Because it will move.
Well, so that the tree can grow. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Anderson Party. And that is how you become part of this party. Every day you can be part of our party, and yeah, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.